Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you a one website where we can create a very high quality, do follow, free guest post backlink. And the another thing guys, you guys will easily create your guest post backlink and there is no many rules or regulation to you guys while making publish your content. Okay, so the website name is autocor.co.uk and this is a website, a dashboard. So this site is highly related for the sports and mobility automobile industry. So if you are in the same, so this site is highly relevant for you guys. Okay, either if you can wanting to publish your content only, so you can also consider this site for your backlinking. So the website name is autocor.co.uk. And before the started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 26. And according to DAPA checker, this website having 54 DA and the spam score is only 1%. So it is a considerable. So now we're going to start. First thing, you guys will open this URL, and after this URL, you can type slash WP admin. Then you can click to the enter button and then you will see there is a register button. You can click on this. There you can add your username, your email address. Then you guys will click on the register button. After that, after this, site will send you the password generator mail, so you can check your Gmail. And I received. Click on this. Click on the first link, and there you can generate your password. Click on the confirm to use weak password. Click on the save password, and yeah, here it is. Your account is ready. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. So you can log in to your dashboard, and you will see there is a plus icon. Click on this, hover on this, and then click on the post button, and there you can add your article title. So I have already generated this title, so let me use this, and there you can add your content. So I have already optimized my content as well. So suppose in the content I have already added my hyperlink and my already optimized my heading. So you will see this is H3, but this would be the H2, and all the headings are already optimized, if you can see. So now we're going to start. Either if you are publishing manual content, so make sure to you can optimize your heading and the hyperlink. And then let me post here, and you will see my heading are already optimized. And if you're wanting to insert a hyperlink, so you can select your keyword. So suppose that this is my keyword, and you can select your keyword. You will see there is a hyperlink button. You can click on this, and there you can paste your website URL. Then you can click on the apply button. Okay, and if you're wanting to optimize your heading, so you can select your heading. You will see in this drop down there is a heading a change option. You can select any of the preferable headings. Okay, and after once you guys will optimize your article, then you guys will add your feature image. So feature image is, I guess I already downloaded my feature image, so let me upload from the desktop. Yeah, this image. And in the image there you can add your alt tag, alt text. Click on the set feature image, and from there you can add your tags. So tags is this traditional versus virtual interviews. Click on this, click on the add button, and overall we have added all the things, and there is a category. So if you are in the cars and the transportation industry, so you can select your category, and you are easily approved on this website for the guest posting. Okay, and if you wanting, so you can update your keyword. So let me add the keyword as well, and in this you can add your site, your article title, and your article description. Okay, once you guys will complete all the things, you can click on the publish button, and you will see in the post are published. Click on the view post, and you will see this is your article. If I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is instant approved backlink, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow. So you will see this is 100% do follow with contextual backlink. So this is the process for the guest posting on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.